Yo, what's going on, world? This is your boy Nick from Total Tech, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Insta 360 H Pro 2. So there we go right there. If you don't know, now you know that this is back in stock. This has been out of stock for the last month or 2 months while they fix some issues going on. I heard there were some issues with fogging on the lens or something like that, but you couldn't find this thing anywhere. But without further ado, we have it right here. So if you don't know, this is a 1/1.3-inch sensor. This is shoot 8K video. It has dual AI chips for superior image quality. I'm reading it right off the thing. Low light performance is awesome, 157 degrees. You get that wide field of view. Waterproof for up to, I don't know. I'm not getting in the water like that. I might go jump in a pool or something like that. But as far as scuba diving, that ain't me. You might need to check out somebody else's channel for that. 2.5-inch flip-up screen, wind guard for those noisy and windy days. And yeah, man, here we go. We got this right here, and we got this 512 Samsung Pro Ultimate SD card to go in it, 512 gigabytes. So we're gonna do both of these right now. Let's get to it, man. Get this plastic off, man. Put that over there. There we go, right here. Bam. And there you go. Insta 360. Let me reach with this hand because I feel like I was about to drop that. Insta 360 H Pro 2 right there. Oh, man. And this thing is, it's nice. It's nice. It feels good in the hand. It's not all that big. That's what it looks like right there. That's the 2.5-inch screen. You got the power button, aka the power button on the side. You got the record button at the top. You got the battery housing right here, where you put your battery. And also, I don't know if the SD card goes in there as well, but this battery thing is hard to open. Jeez Louise, that did not want to open. You got your, no, the SD card goes right here with your USB port right here, which you use to charge your device. And right, oh, okay, you press the button and you slide it down, and it already has the battery in it already. So we'll just leave it at that. You got your flip up screen right here. Kind of hard to flip up, I guess, so it'll stay in place or something like that. You can put this at different viewing angles and something like that. That's why I kind of like this device. If you want to record weird situations or something like that, you can do that with this screen. Yeah, man. And what do we have on the bottom? What does it say? Remove the sticker before powering on the camera to avoid direct skin contact with the heat dissipation area out of prolonged camera use. Why you got a sticker right there anyway? I don't understand, but they got a sticker at the bottom, so it says take that off before I power it on. You shouldn't even put one right there in the first place. Like, why? Duh. But before I power it on, I want to put this SD card in here too, so we're going to do that too. We're going to open this Samsung up. Bust this thing open and get to recording, man. And I did not cut that thing enough. Ugh. I don't want to cut my table. My wife kicked my tail. Better not cut her table. I'm not in the studio right now. I am at the house. And I am trying to be delicate. Because I want to stay in this house. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to get run out the house. But here we go. This thing don't want to work with me. This thing is like tamper-proof. Like trying to keep you from stealing it. All right? Maybe instead of a knife, I need some scissors or something. But don't quote me on this, but I don't hold this against me. But there we go. Put that right there. I am finally inside of it. Gee. All right. There we go. There we go. Finally got this thing open. All right, here we go. 512 card right there. Put this on the side, and we're gonna power this thing on, and we're gonna get to recording, man. See which way I'm supposed to put it. I think this way right here. SD card in there. Power this thing on, see what it do. And it didn't do nothing. All right, I'm gonna put this right here. See what else in the box. So we also got an extra battery right here. These batteries are small, but that's what we got. Right here, you got your windscreen or other microphone cover. Right here, you got your literature, you got your charging cable, things like that. Charging cable, you've seen USB-C to USB-C cable before, so I'm not gonna bother with that. Right here we have, looks like a rubber gasket that goes around the lens for some reason. I don't know why, but I guess I'll read the manual for that. Other than that, that's all you got in the box. Oh, you got this magnetic mount right here for regular action cam things. So there you go. Got that magnet is pretty strong too. But that's what you got in the box. Oh, we got no wonder it's strong. You got to press the clips to put it on. All right. Press the clips, take it off. There you go. You really don't got to press the clips, take them on. You got to press them to take them off. So that's how you get it off. All right, so you got that. So now let's turn this thing on, see what we get. There it goes. Now you got English. Hit that, next. Now I gotta download the app and connect it to my account. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. So the firmware downloaded, it updated. This thing has haptics built in. And like when it was downloading the firmware and all that stuff, it kept vibrating on the table. I'm like, why my phone going off? Why my phone going off? And now I was like, what in the world going on? But yeah, so this thing has haptics. So, and it tells you different stuff on that front screen. So now it's telling me that it's connected to the camera. I mean, connected to my phone. And I'm wondering why my phone is over here bugging out because I got the live view on because I had to download the firmware and all that stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna take this off the front. I do not see these words. I just want to let you know that this, even though you see the words on the little screen cover, it is transparent on the other side, sort of like if you got some stickers on your car window or something like that, like your rear view mirror or something like that. It's transparent to you, but other people can see it. But that's what that is. So tighten lens guard before using the camera in water. All right. Give me all these warning signs. Hope you don't bug out, man. But seems like the lens guard is already tight, but whatever. Touch screen will turn off to save power when connected to the app. Bam. Okay. So here we are. 5:12. I don't know what setting is on. They say I got 16 hours of recording time. But let me go in the app and see what in the world kind of setting. I got 46% battery life. Let's see what else I got. I'm trying to figure out. Let me go into the settings, recording. There's no limit. No limit. Oh, so it's at 4K, 60 frames per second, and it says I can get 16 hours? Jeez Louise. I'm going to go overboard with this thing. But yeah, man, I am excited about this. I'm going to put it on auto. I'm going to take the HDR off because I don't want the HDR on. Auto mode. Let me go ahead and change some settings. I got my sharpness on medium. I log off, white balance auto, AV, blah, blah, blah. Yada, yada, yada. Okay. Are we good to go? Standard color perfection. Flat, like a. I like vivid. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like standard. I like vivid. So I'm gonna keep it on vivid. I might put it on standard, but I like vivid. I got the Insta X4 right here. I'm like, where is that? It's right in front of me. But I like vivid. So this is the X4. Love this camera. I love this camera. Love this camera. Very, 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 very useful. Very functional. Very versatile. Love this camera. So that kind of persuaded me to get this camera instead of the DJI Pro Action 5 Pro. They always name it something pro, not just DJI. Apple too. Always putting that pro moniker on there. But they don't be nothing pro about it, man. Come on, for real. Like, whatever. We're not gonna go down that road. Okay. But this is the X4. And this is the H Pro 2. And right here, you got your battery of the X4 and you got your battery of the H Pro 2. So how big are they versus each other? You be the judge. I'm trying to look at the ratings on the batteries and trying to get something like that. But yeah, here we are. This right here, rated capacity is 1800 milliamperes. This one right here is, I probably got a sticker covering it so I can't see it. This is 2290. So this is very big battery compared to this. But yeah, man, there you have it. That's what we got in the box, man. So I'm gonna play with this thing later on, and I'll get back to you to see how the performance is. Peace.